What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We're back in my bathroom one more again. Unfortunately, I don't have a new video for you guys, but fortunately, I was talking with a viewer out there in Texas who said maybe you should make a blooper reel, or I just said I'd make a blooper reel, but he wants to see that. So this is for you. You know who you are, so you're welcome and enjoy. What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. How? Hold on, what's up, yeah? How y'all doing? Watch out, world, I'm grown now. What up, y'all? It's your homeboy. Hold on. It's about to go down. What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. One quick second. Y'all don't understand how weird it is to talk in different tenses than the present when you make a video and you're trying to release it so that way it makes sense. So what I would normally say is that tonight I'm going, you know, do you get what I'm saying? Actually, what y'all think? It's a look. Like, I could have said yesterday I did this, but yesterday for you is today for me. Yes? Dang, my locks are long, y'all. Look at this. Looking like Jesus himself. Another one. Like DJ Khaled up in here. Another one. Shiny, 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 yeah. There we go. Yep. The wire cutter's going right back to the stove. Oh, so then I've been losing my mind. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. They put that little card. They just take a little card and put that in front of that thing, and they just go. You know, they be cheating out here. Oh, hold on. Don't try to slow it down. Hold on. Wait a minute. And what's that? That's it? That's it. Boom! Dudes be using makeup too. They be using it not on their face, but in their hair. They be fooling people out there. What they saying? Catfish. I don't like the shape of what I've just done. I know you've seen what I'm going for, and I know you know what I'm going for, okay? So don't look at me crazy, okay? I tried. Y'all wrong. Y'all know you're wrong. We are not clapping for them today. Let me know if that worked. Does that even do anything? Like, do y'all even click that? Does it even matter? I just had to get that off my chest. Really, I'm just trying to figure out if that even works. I'm saying, okay, let me know. No, girl, You can watch more videos, you cannot watch more, you can click the little X right there, you can just can't click on out. What is she doing? It's just a look, like, man, like, when people say, like, it's a look, yeah, like, yeah or no. You've never done that, don't try it now. Like, yeah, like, for real, it's like, completely the look. Stay in your lane, do what you can do. I don't know why I felt like Tiffany Haddish when I said that. I'm gonna do something. Just wait. I just, no. Ooh. Click on it anyway. What's you gonna lose? What you gonna lose if you do? I'm so happy and just proud right now. Like, blackness. Get that black, okay? Black. Don't do this right before a wedding. Don't do this right before you go to your best friend's birthday party. Like, don't set yourself up for a bad situation, you know what I mean? That heat will help circulate the blood flow even more in addition to massaging your scalp. So do all of the I can't even talk all the things. It feels so good. So yeah, do that. Because you may come out good and that's great, but on the off chance that it comes out bad, why would you set yourself up for that, huh? You know what I'm saying? So don't do that. Ooh, fruit punch, fruit punch. We just gonna overlook that, okay? Don't even worry about that. I'm gonna try to focus this. Okay, all right, cool. I am gagging right now, y'all. Ooh, I can't. Okay, stop. We done. Okay. Well, wait, I gotta make sure I do this right because I feel like I do this wrong every time. Okay, so, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and last week's video is up there on the thing. There's a playlist over there of more content, and click on that subscribe icon right there, okay? I will see you guys next week, hopefully with a new video. Until then, be breezy, peace, and keep it locked. Bye.